Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? A man has commented on my video that their mic is not showing on Discord. Look, I have covered many topics. If you were a member of my community, you would already know the solution to every problem. But it's not a big deal, just subscribe now. Okay, as I mentioned in my video, if your mic is muted due to privacy settings, I have seen users whose configuration is accurate but they face the issue of their mic not showing on Discord in the input devices. So there's no way they can use the mic for talking, but here's a solution for it. VB cable, a virtual audio cable, is a kind of software that works like hardware on a PC. You can consider it an adapter extension that can be used in place of your mic and speaker. Its basic function is to create different output and input, allowing you to separate the audio of each media. Now, let me show you first. Maybe that will make sense for you. Once you hit enter, you will get this website. Actually, I will provide the link in the description so it will be easier for you. Now, the main thing is download and install the VB cable. Now just download for Windows. Okay, now choose the location actually where you want to save it. Once your download is finished, it's a zip file. Extract in the same folder so it will easy for you to navigate the folder again. In my case, I don't have much folders, so anyways, now VB setup. If you are using 64-bit operating system, means Windows, then you can go with this. Otherwise, you can install from here. Now I have 64-bit. Just click on this and install drivers. Load DRV access denied to register. Okay, so just right click on it and then run as administrator. Okay, installation complete and successfully. You might reboot your system to finalize the installation. So here just open the control panel, hardware and sound, and then sound. Now you will see here the VB cable in playback means your output and recording means your input, but it's not working right now because we need to configure it. Right now you can see my mic is monitoring. All right, you are using this VB cable for microphone as a microphone, so make sure your microphone is working over here. Now let me show you what you can do further. Now first thing, we will allow our microphone to transmit the audio into the cable output, right? So right click on your microphone properties and then go into the listen to this device, check this option, and then you can select here the device, so your audio will be transmitted live in different devices like speaker or headphones you are using. In my case, we are shifting or transmitting our audio into the cable input, right? And hit apply. Now it's input or microphone transmitting the audio into the microphone input device. Click OK. That's it. Now go into the settings on the Discord, voice and video, then click on the input devices. You will see here the cable output, right? You need to choose it. Now your cable just work like your microphone because your microphone is transmitting the audio into the cable input, and you need to select here the cable output. Now you can see I'm speaking, and here you can see the monitoring the gain or sensitivity, what you call it, but now it's working. So now if this guy cannot use the microphone on Discord, he can use the VB cable, but the condition is that your mic should be working fine and the drivers should be updated. If you like today's video, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos.